Well, let's go back and look at those service codes for a minute because there's some answers there. Now that we've used our lab scope and we think we've got everything fixed, it's time to go back with a scan tool. Remember, we got blocking conditions. What a blocking condition is, it's a situation where the PCM will stop checking certain OBD2 monitors when a misfire occurs. In this case, it's going to stop checking fuel control. It's going to stop checking the O2, canister purge, and EGR. So what we have is this PCM has decided, because they have a misfire, this data is no longer valued. Now that the misfire is gone, it's going to go back and start checking these things. What we do is we go to our scan data.